Okay guys, this is some of the things that I have for my kitchen decorating. I may not use all of them, we'll see. It depends on how much I get up on my shelves. I also have some yellow buffalo check curtains to go up. I do need to press them. They've been folded up and stored away. I will add a rug, and that's what I have for my spring kitchen decorating. So let's go ahead and get started with some decorating. Now you guys know that I can't hang my curtains with any kind of wrinkles. They've been folded and put away, so I don't want to press that out. I don't want wrinkles in my curtains or in my clothes or even on my face. Unfortunately, I can't iron those out on my face. But for now, let's de-wrinkle the curtains before I hang them up in my spring kitchen. I have these yellow plaid, yellow-white curtains that I want to hang in my kitchen just for something bright. I've used these in my kitchen before, and I just love the color and the brightness. I have a few spring items to put up on my shelves and in my kitchen. I actually did put my KitchenAid mixer away for a while and thought maybe I might try to decorate in that corner. Maybe I'll put a lamp in there. It is a little dark. Hanging up the curtains, I get up there and figure out, I'm not going to be able to reach that because I definitely don't want to step in my sink or stand on my countertop. And usually Mr. Fix-It helps me, but he's out at the workshop working today. He is making me a skinny bench. And when he gets it done, I'll share that video link so you can go watch how he made it. I can't wait to see it. I haven't got to see it yet. But yep, tongs are one of the best things for hanging curtains in my home anyway. Moving over to my barnwood shelves here in my kitchen. Things don't ever turn out the way you want. I get on Pinterest, I'm looking, I'm thinking, oh, this idea's cute, this idea's cute. And then I start looking at some of the things that I have to put up on my shelves, and it doesn't turn out the same. Never does it turn out in Pinterest. However, I'm using what I have on hand and just adding a few things up on the shelf along with just a little bit of floral. I'm adding some white linen towels in my chicken wire shelf that I got from Hobby Lobby. But that yellow one won't stay there. When I realized that I don't have very many spring colored tea towels, and I need one to go on my hook there at the end of the counter. Now, I got these cute little plates from Hobby Lobby from their spring collection this year. And since I've got more yellow, I'm going to leave the yellow one out in the front. These are my new jars. I don't have anything in them yet. I'm waiting on the seals to arrive so that it will be safe to put food in those. And over here to the end of my cabinets where I have some hooks. If you remember, I got the large cutting board. I wanted it up on the shelf, but I didn't feel safe. And that white linen towel is not going to stay there. I just don't like it. I am adding my rug back in here. And here I am changing out that tea towel to a yellow check one that will match the curtains. For my countertop, I have this wicker basket that I got on vacation in Tennessee. And this is my new candle that I got from At Home. And I want to put that along with some buttercream tulips. But I don't know, I think that flame is just too close to those tulips. So I think I'm going to have to do something a little different. Maybe when it has a lid on it, I can put it there, but for now, this is the way it's going to be. Over here in the apron, I'm just going to add a little bunny in the pocket. I think I did this last year, but I loved it so much. And on my kitchen stool is that bird cage that I thrifted for $3. I have a few cutting boards that I need to place throughout my kitchen, and then I'm going to give you a kitchen tour of how it all came out for now. Okay guys, this is my spring 2025 kitchen. If you remember, I thrifted that cage at a yard sale for $3. Tried to clean it up, still didn't like it. Larry took it out to the shop, spray painted it for me, and look how amazing it looks. I added a little bunny in the pocket. I think I did that last year. And I do love my Land of Blessings calendar. Coming around here, you remember my large cutting board. I wanted it up on the shelf, but if it falls, it would be disastrous. So I don't know, I sort of like it right there. I did change out the towel to something that was going to match the curtains. Lit up my candle from At Home in the Farmhouse mahogany. It just smells amazing. And got some butter, looks like buttercream tulips. That's what I call them. Over on my shelf is just some linen towels, my Raydon butter dish, and bunnies, along with a few thrifted vintage items. Up on the shelf is my thrifted Pillsbury all-purpose flour canister, and just got some little florals, bunnies, birds, and an egg, a Raydon egg that says spring. Up at the top, I thought that bunny would pop in front of that tray, and I added the bird in the cage along with just a few florals. My market sign remains up there. I still like it, I still love it. And I did change out the color of curtains. The plates was from Hobby Lobby. I love the pop of color. I did originally put a bunny in there, but I like the plant in there instead. Of course, my coffee station, it just gets used twice a day, and it has stuff sitting around it all the time. Real life, folks. I did remove my KitchenAid mixer from that corner. I haven't been using it. And I thought I might like that space to decorate, but as you can see, I didn't do a whole lot there. Some cutting boards, my crock with all my utensils that I use daily. In this kitchen, we lick the spoon was a sign that I made years ago. And just up there is some farmhouse chickens from Hobby Lobby. They may still sell those. And I thrifted that little green vase and just put some florals in it. Just something simple up there. And then my everyday use of butter dish, my spoon rest, salt and pepper. And these are my new containers that I got at home. I haven't put anything in them. I think I'm going to put some flour in one, sugar in another, and see if I can't find me some cups that will fit in there. And I always like how I've seen how others did that. I really like it, and I want to see if I can find something for spring to go in there. I'm actually waiting for the seals. They don't come with seals, so a lot of people have a lot of concerns storing food. If I do store food, it's going to be something that's going to be used up really quick. But for now, I just clean them up and they're just ready to go. And I added just ceramic bunny, and that little egg is new from Hobby Lobby this year. I really like it. I didn't change anything up top of my cabinets, but this is what it looks like. I did add the rug. I had it rolled up, but the edges, it will flatten out by the end of the day. And I just love that in my kitchen. All right, next I'm moving into the master bedroom, doing a little decorating maybe in there, maybe just a spring refresh I'm also working on getting a spring cleaning video for you. I'll move out to my front porch and then to my deck, and then after that we will do a home tour.